If your neck is shorter than a giraffe's, you're in good company. Let's discover why. Did you know giraffes are the tallest mammals on Earth? Their legs alone are taller than many humans. Fact 2. Those spots aren't just for show. They're like human fingerprints, unique to each giraffe. Next up, giraffes only need 5 to 30 minutes of sleep a day. Talk about power napping. Here's a cool one. A giraffe's tongue is about 18 inches long, perfect for reaching those high leaves. And lastly, they have the same number of neck bones as humans. Yep, just 7, but theirs are supersized. So next time you see a giraffe, you'll know a bit more about these gentle giants. Stay curious.